Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share a Pixlr project. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Pixlr app on your home screen. Now open it. Now choose one photo that you want to edit and share. Then edit the photo however you like to edit it. Use the tools given here. Simply use it just like this. After editing the photo, here you can find the option of done. Simply tap on it. Then here you can find the option of more. Simply go ahead and select it. Then here you can see apps where you can share the project just like this. Now tap onto one app. Then here you can find the option where you can share the project. This is how you can share a project that you just edited in the Pixlr app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.